You know that feeling when you look in the mirror and you don't recognize yourself anymore? Not your face, but who you've become. I spent so long being what everyone else needed, showing up for everyone but me, and somewhere along the way I forgot who I was before all of that. So I'm starting over, not because I failed, but because I deserve to meet myself again. Starting over means letting go, and honestly, the scary part, letting go of the version of yourself you thought you had to be. The habits that don't serve you, the people who only love the parts of you that were convenient for them. I'm done hiding the parts of me that feel too much, too sensitive, too ambitious, too me. I'm done covering up to make other people comfortable. This time, I'm building a foundation that's actually mine. Rediscovering yourself is weird because you realize how much you've been performing, even the small stuff, the way you laugh, what you say, who you pretend to be in rooms where you don't feel safe just to exist. So I'm asking myself the hard questions now. What do I actually want? What makes me feel alive? Not what looks good on paper, not what everyone expects, but what makes me feel like me. Building new confidence doesn't mean you suddenly have all the answers. It means you're willing to try, willing to mess up, to be a beginner again. And that takes more time than courage, pretending you've got it all figured out. Here's what no one tells you about starting over. It's not this clean, Instagram-worthy transformation. It's messy. Some days you feel like you're finally finding yourself. Other days you feel more lost than ever. And both are okay. Both are part of it. But there are these moments, these small, quiet moments where you catch yourself smiling for no reason or doing something just because you want to and you realize, oh, I'm coming back to myself. Embracing change is scary because you can't control it. You can't plan for who you're becoming. You just have to trust that version of you on the other side of this. You have to trust that it's worthy. You have to trust the uncertainty. So here I am, bold, messy, still figuring it out. But this time, I'm doing it for me. This face, this life, this voice, it's mine. And I am done apologizing for taking up space in my own story. Starting over isn't becoming someone new. It's about remembering who you were before the world told you who to be. And I'm ready to meet her again.